Imagine looking 10 years younger without expensive creams or surgeries, just by changing what's on your plate. Sounds crazy, right? But science actually backs it up. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 anti-aging superfoods that can literally slow down how fast your body ages. These are foods backed by real research, not trends. Let's get into it. Hey friends, welcome back to The Healthy Wave, where we simplify health so you can live longer, look better, and feel amazing. If you're new here, consider subscribing. It's free, and your future self will thank you. The 5 anti-aging foods. 1. Blueberries, the wrinkle fighter. These little berries are packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins. They fight free radicals, reduce skin aging, and even improve brain function. 2. Avocados, the healthy fat hero. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats that keep your skin glowing, moisturized, and elastic. Plus, they contain glutathione, a compound known to slow aging. 3. Spinach, nature's skin serum. Loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, spinach helps with skin repair, hydration, and protection against UV damage. 4. Walnuts, the brain booster. Want a sharp mind at 70? Walnuts are high in omega-3 fatty acids that protect your brain and reduce inflammation, a key aging factor. 5. Turmeric, the golden lifesaver. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Regular use has been linked to longer lifespan and reduced risk of age-related diseases. Practical tips. You don't need to change your entire diet. Just start small. Add a handful of blueberries to your breakfast. Swap out processed snacks with walnuts. Little changes go a long way. Aging is inevitable, but looking and feeling older than you are? That's optional. Eat smarter, live better. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs a youthful boost. Subscribe for weekly tips on health, food, and longevity. Until next time, stay healthy, stay young.